In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view multiple pages in Microsoft Word. Viewing multiple pages at once can be incredibly helpful when you're working on long documents, comparing layouts, or checking formatting across several pages. Microsoft Word offers several options to adjust your view so you can see more than one page on your screen at the same time. To begin, open your Word document and go to the View tab on the ribbon. This tab contains all the options related to how your document appears on the screen, including page layout, zoom, and window settings. For seeing multiple pages, focus on the Zoom group. Here, click on the Multiple Pages button. Word will automatically adjust the display so that two pages appear side by side. You can scroll through the document and see how content flows across pages, which is particularly useful for proofreading or designing complex layouts. If you want to customize how many pages are displayed, click the Zoom button in the same group. A dialog box will appear with options to select a specific percentage or fit the page width on your screen. You can also choose the Many Pages option and select the number of pages you want to view simultaneously, such as 2 by 2 or more, depending on your screen size and resolution. This flexibility makes it easier to analyze the overall structure of your document without constantly scrolling back and forth. For documents with images, tables, or complex formatting, using Multiple Pages view allows you to spot alignment issues and ensure consistency across the entire document. It's especially useful for newsletters, reports, or academic papers where layout matters. You can also combine this view with the Split Window feature, which allows you to scroll through one section while keeping another section visible, providing even greater control over your editing process. When you're done, simply return to the Print Layout view or adjust the zoom settings back to a single-page display for focused reading and editing. This makes switching between detailed work and overall layout review quick and seamless. By following these steps, you can efficiently view multiple pages in Microsoft Word, making your editing, formatting, and reviewing tasks much easier and more productive. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.